Hello everyone, this is Phillips of Megabytes and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the new Bridge Top NBTB101 for Android. This is an Android 11. It has 6000 mAh, so the battery could last until up to 12 hours. It's Type-C, good speaker, and it's 10.1 inch. It has 8 core and 3 gigabytes of memory and 64 gigabytes of storage. And this is really good because it has Bluetooth and everything that you need. And actually, I bought this in Nojima with my points, so I didn't pay for anything. It's from my points that I got from subscribing with the phone network. So this is going to be my gift to my mother because it's her birthday. So let's do an unboxing and set it up before I give it to my mom. And actually I have my gift wrap here. Here it is, the new Bridge Top. It's metallic gray. Not sure if there's battery. Not yet, so we have to charge. And I'm not sure if they have charger. Unfortunately, they don't have a charger, but doesn't matter. I have lots of charger here. So I'm going to charge it first. And before that, please watch how I bought it in Nojima. The new Bridge NBTB101 is a product of Keiyo Engineering Company Limited in Japan. It uses the latest Android 11. This product is a 10.1-inch tablet equipped with full high-definition IPS LCD and a high-performance 8-core processor to improve performance so that you can enjoy the internet more comfortably. Equipped with a high-performance octa-core processor and a 3 GB of memory plus 64 GB of internal storage as standard, you can comfortably use the latest OS and applications without worrying for the lack of storage. The major features of this Android 11 tablet is the screen record, bubble, enhanced media control, and all cores. Its 6000 mAh battery. Equipped with a large capacity battery, it is possible to browse the web for up to about 12 hours continuous without resting. The greatest feature of this tablet is metal material is used for the bezel and the back, and of course it looks luxurious while not looking fragile. Also, it uses a Type-C terminal, making it easy to plug and unplug the cable. Dual speaker is installed on the bottom of the tablet, so it provides clear and powerful sounds. The rear camera is approximately 5 MP plus autofocus function installed, while the front camera is approximately 2 MP. Though the built-in storage is only 64 GB, you can extend it with up to 256 GB microSD. It comes with Bluetooth, GPS, and of course, an AC adapter, Type-C cable, and a pin for storage slot.